So I'm going to try to show you what I'm doing here. This is the baffle that's already installed in between the rafters of the ceiling. Now we're down in between the rafters of the, well, that's the rafters of the roof. Now we're sitting in the ceiling rafters. We got to plug that hole in the back there. So I've been pushing a piece of foam back there. Size and shape doesn't matter too much. I tried to make it sort of so the shape of the baffle on the edge is filled up a little bit. I've just been pushing it back in there like that. Sometimes I try to get a little lift on the bottom, like that, so I can get a little foam underneath. And then this 40-inch wand helps out a lot. Sorry for the shake. Got out of foam, but I wanted to get this film made for you, show you what I've been doing. This will seal the airflow into the attic and control the airflow. It goes up this baffle now instead of just coming in on the insulation itself. And it also prevents any air from entering the wall in case there's any wire penetrations or anything like that down the wall. And then I'm also sealing this wall header to the plaster because apparently there's a chance of air penetrating that plaster joint. This nail's not helping me any. There we go. I will have done 18 today. I'm getting better at it. I've only got 100 in the house, and I'm almost done with the entire south side, so won't be long now.